She could don't walk out on me because I'm trying to be who I've been all along. And all my love without you, and I forgot who I was before this song.
So I tell you what, we're going to be walking around this 1955 Bel Air convertible today. The motor is just set in here and bolted down. There's nothing hooked up, so it's not a running and driving car right now. It needs work. Guys, understand what the values of a 55 Bel Air convertible are. This one here's got the 350 V8, 700R4 overdrive transmission. This one's also got new cross members, and the drive shaft has been shortened. Of course, you see power steering. This has also got a new gearbox. It's also got power disc brakes. Got that Edelbrock intake and carburetor. Tru-Trac bullet serpentine belt conversion. All the chrome engine accessories you can think of. New exhaust. The manifolds are coated. Billet distributor and cool. It's just pretty sweet. Power Master starter on this one, aluminum radiator. It's a 57 Silver Cloud front seat. Also got the tilt steering column. Billet steering wheel there. Digital radio and 15-inch torque thrust wheels. What I'm going to do is walk around this ride, look for imperfections. We're going to look for rust, we're going to look for dents, we're going to look for cracks in the paint, whatever I can find. We're also going to check out the interior, and I want to see if I got the keys, and we'll open the trunk. Let's get started up front here. Same thing. Except for this one, I'll have to do the undercarriage just by pushing the car. So I guess we need a slow-mo, do we? Front bumper's in decent shape. You do have a lot of little chemical peel in the paint in the front here in the lower part. This has got some red flake in it up in the front. This little piece. Got a little bit of rust in the grill. To be honest, we actually have one of these. It's over $100,000 though. And it does run and drive good. Little spot there. But we're not actually advertising it for sale, so it's going to be something that is a keeper for us here at the lot. It's got bubbles there. And this one was almost made into another one, and we were just going to build it. I actually had it a little while. Little scratches there. And we've had it hidden. It's actually been on a car lift inside a garage. It's one of our mechanics was storing it for us. A little bit of pitting on the back here, the old tail light. Gas cap is hanging there, a little close. And ding here. Little scuffs. Chips. Chip in the paint. Scuff there. Marks up top here. All this stuff should come out. Scuff there. Chrome's peeling. Front windshield on this one looks pretty good. Rust there. Down at the bottom. Little cracks. Pitting. The top on this one's in good condition, and we do have 100 detailed pictures of it. This is actually going into the showroom, and they're leaving the top down. You can see the staples on it though, a little rusty. Got cracks back here. Spots there. Little cracks back here. And a dent in the bumper. You got some chrome that's got some imperfections here. Scuffs on the corner. Looking around the jam. Little cracks. Boot for the convertible top. See where the new stuff's been welded in the back here. Same on this side. So I assume they tried putting new metal in this at one time. You can see a little gap, little wedges in the welds. The weather stripping looks decent around the edges here. Also in decent shape. What I'm doing is trying to change the lighting so it'll show up better. Coming on down with this trunk lid here. See a little bit of waves in the back. A little bit of pitting. Down this side, cracks back there. Scratch back your midsection. I'm still pointing at stuff. I don't say something every single time. I mean, if I point at something, you realized, oh, hey, he's pointing something out, or he zoomed in on something. That's what I say that the other day. A little spot here. But I shouldn't have to when you like go. You get it. A little rust right there on the pin. It's faded there. And there's staples arresting. Just like this one, I'm showing you the pitting on the back window there. A little bit hazy on the trim. That can be cleaned up though. A lot of this can be, not this vent window. You'd have to sand it. The whole car's got a little bit of a red flake in it. Little bubbles there. Up there too. The front windshield looks great. It's in good shape, but up here's a little dinged up. Made it around the outside. Let's go ahead and check out that interior. So you can see the interior was red and black, and they added this real nice seat here out of the 57. It's not bolted down. Nope. It's just sitting in there right now. Like I said, this is a project. And it does have a lot of potential. There's a little pitting there. Pitting here. A lot of the stuff can be cleaned up. And honestly, with more time, we would have done this. That'd have been a great profit maker. Missing the handles in the back. And they look a little ground out, like somebody's been using something else, so it may need to be redone. Yeah, they're definitely gonna need some attention. Carpet in this one. That's good. You could leave it. Pretty clean. Solid doors. Seals look good up and down. And it seems to shut pretty good. Now again, there will be detailed pictures of the top up. They want me to leave it down because they want to put it in the showroom. Let's see, got this button. Handle's a little loose. Of course, this car will be gone through whoever buys it. And the door panels might not matter to them then. Needs to be cleaned up. No nubby. Well, should look cracked up. That's a nice looking steering wheel. Battery's not hooked up on this one, so I can't place my beds. Old glass, old mirror. All right, let's start her up. Wonder if the key fits. Oh yeah. Just imagine. Just sitting here cruising. I do like this car. Especially Jeff's, which I can show you the potential of his, and he's not gonna sell it, so don't call and ask about his other one. It's already done. This one needs to be put together. That door you have to shut a little bit more firm. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit subscribe and share. We're gonna get some undercarriage shots here in just a moment. I'm just gonna glance up under the hood one more time. I mean, everything's just set in here. It's not hooked up. Looks like we got the reservoir for the power steering, and that's a nice one too. You've got the power brake set up. Everything looks sweet. These pulleys are high dollar to begin with. Electric fan there. But you can see it's just sitting in here. Up under the hood looks good. Coming down with the hood. Comes down pretty easy. Hinges up over here. You don't want to push down. Those are stiff too. Little bubbles there. Little cracks. Scratch on the hood. Chips on the edge. There it is. Actually lines up pretty good. Spot here. Chips over here. All right, let's get these undercarriage shots real quick. We're going for the undercarriage shot. Start your engine. Camera poking out yet? Oh, we're going back. Slower, Barney. We're gonna do it from the back. Middle leg. Thanks for helping me push that car. Guys, if you're interested in this, you can check us out, Maple Motors, maplemotors.com. We do have all the detailed pictures. We have financing and shipping available on this. You can talk to any of us in the office. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444, or shoot us an email. We know this is a project car. We know what it's worth. I do appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.